are back. It is April. It's actually April 8th, so it's like the end of the week. But I haven't pulled envelopes this week, so let's go ahead and pull some numbers. We're gonna pull two. Ooh, 67. Okay. And do this one, 34. Sweet. So I'm going to save these and stuff them later with you. Hey friends, we are back. These are the numbers that we just pulled. I have not stuffed them yet, so we're going to put these to the side and we're going to draw two more for this week. Right now it's April 13th, so it's a Tuesday, but we have 44. Very nice. And let's do this one, 20. All right, cool. So these are very doable. And yeah, let's get this stuff in. I got some money out a couple of days ago, so hopefully we have enough. Hi everyone, we are back. We are here to stuff these 4 envelopes that we pulled for the first 2 weeks of April. So let's just jump right into it. We're gonna do the stuffing first and then we will get into the highlighting. So I don't need this pen, I don't know why I have it out, but let's just jump right into it. So this money is all unexpected income. I also did pull out some money, some of it from the bank because I knew I had, I think these were the 2 that I pulled out of the bank, but these 2, we're just gonna go with it. Hopefully we have enough money here. I'm pretty sure we do. But yeah, if you guys are curious, my nails are from Static Nails. I did break this one myself because I jammed my finger, but I do have a coupon code with them if you like these press-ons or pop-ons. Love them. Okay, so let's just jump right into it. $34. We're just gonna get right into it. So we have 20, 30, and then 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. How are you guys doing? It's a beautiful day today. I had a rough week last week, but this week I'm feeling great. It's Tuesday, so yeah, here we are. All right, so there's that one. $20. And this one, we had some pretty easy numbers the first 2 weeks of April, as you guys can see. 44. 40. Ooh, I hope I have enough. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 44. And then the last one's 67. Ooh, I think yeah, so 50, 65, 66, 67. Yes, I love it. So yeah, every week I do have unexpected income, which is so great. Sorry, the lighting just changed. I don't know what happened. Got a little cloudy, but yeah, I love it because it goes straight to these envelopes and I don't even pay any mind. So let's see what we have left. We have 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38. Should we try to find, oh, I already did the 38 envelope. Maybe we can find the 37 and should we stuff an extra envelope? I don't know. Sorry, you guys. They're doing construction. They literally just started construction, which is so annoying. But maybe we'll just keep this until our next stuffing instead of going like overboard. I always tend to do that. I'm like, let's do another envelope. But then I'll throw it all off. Okay. Let's highlight these. We have 67. Make sure you guys can see this. 67. Okay. We have 44. And we have 20, where is it, 20? And we have 34. Amazing. All right, you guys, so that is it for the first 2 weeks of April. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys in the next clip. Hi, everyone. We are back to pull some envelopes. It is April 19th, so it is Monday, and yeah, we're going to see what we pull. Ooh, 94. Love that. We've had a decent amount of unexpected income, so I am not mad at the big numbers. Ooh, 94 and 55. We can actually probably stuff these today, I think. Hey everyone, what's up? We are back and we're going to be stuffing these 2 numbers right here. I have the money and might as well just get some of it out of the way. We only have 1 more week of April after this, so I mean we have a decent amount of money here. I'm thinking we might do an extra an extra envelope. I haven't decided just yet. Most of this right here is unexpected income, which is great. But anyway, let's just get started. We have 2 numbers that we pulled earlier today, and we're gonna stuff those. So the first one we're gonna stuff is 55. Get that out of the way. All right. And then the next one, let me get my highlighter out. The next one is $94. We have 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94. So let's just double count that because just in case. 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94. Perfect. So we're going to highlight these, and then honestly, I almost feel like doing an extra envelope. We're gonna highlight 94, and we're gonna highlight 55. Those are done. All right, so we're gonna put these envelopes right on the side here. So let's see how much we have left over. We have 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74. So, 74, sorry, trying to move things around. We could pull the $74 envelope, or, yeah, you know what? Let's look for the $74 envelope. I am just in the mood. I know I'm throwing things off, sort of, but I'm just in the mood. Oh my God, it's gonna take me forever to find it. Let me find the envelope. I'll be right back. We found it. Okay, we found the 74. So we're going to do an extra envelope today. I'm in the mood. I'm in a great mood. It's Monday, top of the week. And yeah, let's just highlight 74 and we get an extra envelope this week. All right, so 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 1, 2, yep. All right, cool. 74. And now we have no money left over. I'm super excited that we got to stuff an extra envelope this week. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I will see you guys next week for the last stuffing. Hey everyone, so I wanted to jump on and pull the envelopes for this last week of April. I have some extra income here, so hopefully we can stuff it today. If not, I'll just clip it to the next time we can stuff it. But let's pull some numbers and see what we get. So the first number, 16, not bad. Okay, and then let's do, come on, 13. Okay. Hey everyone, we are back for the last week of April. I pulled these numbers in the last clip that you saw, 16 and 13, super easy numbers. But before we get into these numbers, I actually want to finish off the month with the 52-week challenge right here. If you guys are not familiar, check out my original challenge of 2021 video. I'm doing the 52-week challenge and the 100 envelope challenge, as you guys are here for. So I want to get this one over with. If you guys are not familiar, I stuff this challenge at the very end of the month. Stuffing these weekly for me is just a little too tedious, so I always do it at the end of the month. So for, maybe, let me just move this to the side. I'll put the envelopes there because these are the numbers that we are stuffing today in this clip. But for the 52-week challenge, we're actually going to stuff week 14, 15, 16, and 17. If we just add up 14 plus 15 plus 16 plus 17, we have $62 that we need to stuff for the month of April for the 52-week challenge. Again, these challenges, these trackers are linked in my description box. It's on my website if you guys want it for a printable. We're gonna just jump. Is my lighting going in and out? I think it is. Why is it doing that? Ugh. All right. I need a new ring light. Anyway, so I'm going to go in here and pull out my 52-week challenge envelope. You guys, this is my sinking funds little binder here. It's by Kate Spade. I am going to change up my sinking funds binder. I'm going to do a whole new setup. Let me know in the comments below if you want to see that video. I'm going to get a new binder, new envelopes. I think I want to just do it all on camera for you guys, but let me know in the comments if you want to see that video. I'm just kind of over this, and my envelopes are just, they're getting old, and the ones in the back here don't even have like the hole punches in them. I just need a new setup. I need a refresh for springtime. So here's my 52-week challenge envelope. So we'll pull that out. But yeah, let me know in the comments below if you guys want to see me set up my new sinking funds binder and envelopes and all of that. So for the 52-week challenge, we have 20, 40, 60, 61, 62, 20, 40, 62. Okay, perfect. And then let's just add it to this. And should we count it? Yeah, let's just count it. Why not, right? 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58. So we have 158 in here. I think we have a little bit more than what the tracker says because I stuffed extra money somewhere within this first few months of the year, but that's perfectly fine. So we have 158 in the 52-week challenge. So we are done. We are done with this one. I'm super excited about it. So now we're going to move on to the 100 envelope challenge. So yeah, this again is a printable on my website. Check it out if you want to. But all we need to do, where's my highlighter? I need my highlighter. Okay, here's my highlighter. So all we need to do is stuff 13 and 16. So we have 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, there we go, $13 in this one. And then we need 16, 10, 15, 16. Okay, so we can just highlight both of those. So we have 13. Okay, and 16. Wow, this ring light is going crazy. I apologize, you guys. I need a new ring light, clearly. It's going in and out. Why is it doing that? Anyway, so all of this money was actually unexpected income. I don't know if I mentioned that, but let's see what we have left over. We have 10, 20, 25, 30, 31, 32. So we could go in and find the 32 envelope. Should we do that? I know we did it last week, so you know what? I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to keep this money for next week and have this money to use in next week's envelopes. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this month's update. Let me know what you guys ended up saving for the month of April. Also, if you want to see that video of my new sinking fund setup, leave that comment down below. Give this video a thumbs up, follow me, subscribe. I thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and yeah, I always have so much fun doing this update with you guys. And that is pretty much it. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye!